Take a few minutes to talk to you. You sure could tell that yesterday was a full moon. I tell you, the horses were wild. They were nipping at each other, fighting with each other. One's got a sore eye. They were all in last night. They just let him out. Even Paulo, he's on his own. He's out here.
Coop with Grumbles. What
But
an awesome video.
it was weird. Had to work on the tractor for like 3 hours yesterday as well. Had some issues with it. Got it figured out. Me and Eddie started doing some more of that garden, so look forward to those videos. There'll be more than one. Good morning, chickens. How are you guys this morning? I just let these guys out about 15 minutes ago, but not only were the horses, like my horses was eating too much grass. Is that little Fred? My horse was eating too much grass, so she was in. Well, they were all in for one reason or another. I hope my horse isn't lame. But anyways, chickens as well. We had some hurting chickens. They're separated, so we had to separate them between these two. Because I got this door in here. Let's see if we can get this view in here. I don't know how dark it is. Whoa, that's pretty dark. There we go. No, you guys can't come in. These guys want to come in, but they can't. So yeah, these two are on antibiotics, and they are separated. The one is Pirate. Hey Pirate, can we see your eye? Her eye's on the other side. But we're gonna see if we can give her some antibiotics or something. It looks a little bad. You can check it out there. And then Puffy Cheeks got a little bit of stuff gnarled on the side of her cheek. So we're just separating them. They're in the hospital. Broody's on hold for the moment. We got a lot going on. And of course, all these other ones. Why aren't you guys outside? We had our cleanup video just go on. We had our perch video just go on. And that's about it for the roundup.